everyone, let's get ready to do some Heggerty exercises. Let's start with blending phonemes. So get your choppers ready. I'm going to say 3 separate sounds. You will repeat them, and then together we'll say the word and blend it. Here we go. As, has, axe, wax, add, sad, at, mat, ab, cab, at, pat, app, sap, van, app, zap, axe, tax. Okay. Let's get ready to roller coaster some words. Quiet first sound, loud middle sound, middle vowel sound, and then quiet ending sound. Here we go. The word is dip. Dip. The word is sit. It. Him. Big. Big. Fin. In. Lit. It. Will. Ill. Kick. Ick. Zip. Zip. And did. Id. Good. Now we're going to segment phonemes. So we'll have our choppers ready again. I'll say a word, you repeat it, and then we will chop each sound. If you can, try to chop the sounds with me. And if you need to, go ahead and chop them after I've done it so you can hear it. Here we go. Tax. Axe. Zap. Zap. Van. Sap. Sap. Pat. At. Cab. Ab. Mat. At. Sad. Sad. Wax. Axe. Has. As. Good job. Now we are going to do some phoneme substitution. So we'll start with our 2 fists like this, and then we'll change our beginning sound. The word is bag. Change b to t. Tag. The word is tap. Change t to r. Wrap. The word is lab. Change l to k. Cab. The word is fat. Change f to h. Hat. The word is can. Change k to f. Fan. Good. All right. Now we're going to start with the ending rhyme part of the word, and we'll add a beginning sound. The word is at. Add b to the beginning. Bat. The word is in. Add f to the beginning. Fin. The word is am. Add r to the beginning. Ram. The word is ill. Add w to the beginning. Will. The word is it. Add s to the beginning. Sit. Good. Last exercise, deleting beginning sounds, deleting phonemes. The word is wig. Without w, the word is ig. The word is dab. Without d, the word is ab. The word is rib. Without r, the word is ib. The word is tap. Without t, the word is app. The word is bag. Without b, the word is ag. That's it. Good job. Don't forget to check out and try out your new poem for today.